Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Didarpedia. Today's topic is about 12 things which are banned in other countries but not in India. There are several things in our daily life that are illegal in other countries but are openly available in our markets. And this is not just one thing. There is a list of things which are dangerous for human life but still legal in India. Lifebuoy. It is like favorite soap of people in India. They say it removes dust from the body, but America has banned the soap there because in a test it was found that the soap is not good for human skin. Food and Drug Administration have said that the manufacturer of this soap failed to prove that it is good for a human skin. Red Bull. This energy drink is widely used in India, but it is banned in France and Denmark. People below the age of 18 years cannot have this drink legally in Lithuania. As per their report, Red Bull increases heart problem, depression, hypertension, and many other problems. Jelly sweets. These little candies were recalled and are now not imported into USA, Canada, and Australia. They pose a choking hazard and there have been several reported cases of children choking on them. They are widely available here though. Samosas. One of the cheapest and favorite street food of Indian people. Samosa is banned in Somalia. It has been banned by the terrorist group Al-Shabaab because according to them it symbolizes Christianity. But India is a land where unity lies in diversity, so we can eat it whenever we want. It has no ill effects on health. Kinder Joy. The favorite chocolate of kids, Kinder Joy is banned in America because it is harmful for people. Actually, the egg case in which it comes can be dangerous for kids. Their perception is different, so not to worry about it. You can buy one for your kids. Vicks. It was banned in Japan as it contains camphor, which is toxic if swallowed or absorbed into the body, and the manufacturers do in fact warn that vapor rub should not be applied in or near the nostrils and not to be used on children under the 2 years of age. Tata Nano. The cheapest car of the country. Nano failed in the crash test conducted by the global NCAP. It means that the chances of life damage are high in the Nano during the accident. This car is banned in many other countries of the world, but it is easily available in India. Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. It is one of the most selling car of Maruti in India. This also got failed in its safety standard. This car is also banned in many countries but still very popular in India. Every year it records high number of sale. Unpasteurized milk. Due to the presence of harmful microbes and germs in the unpasteurized milk, it is banned in almost all of the USA and Canada. While this stuff can make you seriously ill, it is easily available in India. Pesticides. In international market, 64 pesticides are banned, mainly carbaryl, malathion, acephate, glyphosate, captane, etc. because it have worst effect on human body. But in India, they are legally available in market. Disprin, the most common painkiller used almost by everyone to ease the headache and fatigue, which is banned in US due to life-threatening side effects which include swelling in the liver and brain. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.